Features durable nickel-chromium steel construction. The ProTouch grips provide extra comfort and reduce hand fatigue. Machined jaws provide maximum gripping strength. Induction hardened cutting edge stays sharp longer. These pliers feature a superior long-reach design for work in confined areas. Top reviews from the United States. Most precise and sharp needle nose. I work on guitars. Some of the strings are as small as 0.07 mm and other needle nose pliers do not close completely along the entire length of the spanner. This one closes completely. Held up to light and no light showing through either the spanner or the cutter. Cutter is extremely sharp. Would recommend to anyone who works with small objects.